In this class, I'm going to teach you the string. Okay, as the I discussed the agenda with you. What is a string? What are the different library functions for string, and what is a formatted string? All these things we cover today. All right. So let me open my notebook once again. All of you are ready with your Jupyter notebook? Give me confirmation in chat box so that you can implement with me. Okay, that's good. Okay, so let's start the string. What it is and how to use a string in Python. All right. So first of all, till now we discussed the numbers as the standard data type in function. In this section of tutorial, we will discuss the most popular data type in Python, that is string. In Python, a string can be created by enclosing the character or sequence of character in quotes. Okay, Python allow us to use single quote, double quotes, and triple quotes. And this double quotes and triple quotes I already taught you in literals. Okay, or the triple quotes for multi-line, double quotes, and single quotes are the same. But we do revise something, some kind of thing. All right. So first of all, how to create a string? Different kind of a string. How to create? Let's suppose message. I am creating a message equal to hello, good morning. All right, and then message one equal to hello good morning or hello good evening, that's better. Someone is entering. Yes, hello good evening. All right, these are two strings. Okay, and let me convert this thing with double quotes. This one is here and this one is here. All right, and the third string I am taking triple quotes. Message 2 equal to 1 2 3. When you put 3, it automatically give it's a coupled three quotes. All right. Okay, so I just put hello, good morning, just like a letter to my student. I wish you happy new year. I just communicate my message in the form of multi-line string. Year 2020 2021, and tomorrow we do not have class. This is announcement as well as message. So this is triple quotes over here. Okay, so let's see how all these behavior. Let's see the data type. All first of all, type of message. What type do? Type just display the data type. See, those who are newcomers join latestly in last two classes, let me tell you that there is no data type in Python. So if you want to check the type of that message, type of the string, you can just type and put the variable name. All right, in fact you put the directly data inside that, it will reflect you the type of message, type of message one, all of the different ways, single quotes, double quotes, triple quotes are the type of the message too. All are the same. So one thing is clear with these three presentation, cell number 1 3 and 4, that you can initialize a string in either way. But what you exactly need, do you want a data in one line? So for one line it is recommended for you, for multi-line it is recommended. Okay, let's see. Let's do the thing print function and without print function. Both are important. If I am printing the message, so this is give me the type with its data. Mind my sentence. The type with its data. Type means the data is in single quotes. What is about the message one? Again, whether you initialize the message one with the double quotes, but output is coming in single. Okay, but what if you put this message inside a print function? What if you put this message inside a print function? Check this one. See the difference. What happening here? Without print function, you get the data with its type. right? Because string is always represented in single quotes, output is represented, but using a print function, it is not giving you type, it is just giving the data. Okay, so in data science, print function is not recommended because various data type of data shown in output, so we are not capturing that one. This is a Python, but when you go in the library of Python, just like a NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, so there we have to check data of which type. So print function is not recommended in the data science. Instead, you just directly put the message or variable and you get the output. All right. So now the three line. What is about the this one? Message two. Message two. So when we have multi-line string, so you see, as I change the line after morning, I start I wish. All right. So what happened? This will automatically append the slash n, which is a new line character. Okay, which is a new line character. Then what happened? It is not recognizing directly what is new line, and it do put all the things in one line. But what if the multi-line is putting with the print message two? Then what happened? It will recognize the new line character and it will do print everything in new line. Okay, so keep in mind importance of print function, where we have to use, where we will not use. All right, so multi-line highly recommended because it will recognize the this thing, and single line print is not recommended because you have to just look the data. All right. Now first of all, str function, this function is used to convert. People keep joining. All of you, the late joiners, are requested to join at on time. It's 8:15. Okay. Okay, kindly cooperate me. Alright, I have to repeat this thing again and again every day. No problem. Okay. This function is used to convert any data type type to string, to str. One of the participant, when I teach the operator, then I do the operator program, ask me this thing. Okay, why you turn this thing into a string? Because sometimes what we do, we have to put data in a string format. Okay, that's why we use the str function. For example, I'm taking some example of name equal to myself, then age equal to 36. All right. Okay, so what happened? If I print this thing, first I show the error. If I print this thing, print name, name plus age, what happened with that? This will give the error because here I am concatenating all both name and age and producing a single string, but it says cannot convert int object to str implicitly, means it automatically not convert integer into this one. So what happened with that? We have to use the str function. For example, just copy this one and do put over here str, just like int we convert string to integer, same way this one is converted. So once you converted is, now it becomes the string, and once it becomes the string, so it is easily appendable or concatenable. All right, when you run this thing, so you can find over here. But again thing, there is a no space, so what you do, you just put single quote space append single quote. That's it. Single quote is always paired, so you can put double single quote. So once you write this thing, so you have the space in between them. Okay, so str function is basically used to convert any data type to a string data type. You can use this thing and you can convert this thing. Now the second thing, string, as I told you in very first, string is a collection. String is a collection of characters. I mean, when you do collect some characters, it string is created. So what happened, we can iterate we can iterate a string with the help of for loop. Okay, so what happened with that? Let's suppose I just create a string country equal to Hindustan. Okay, so what I do over here, I just initialize the name with that, and this is my country, and I have to iterate, means I just apply the loop based on this one. So what happened, I will fetch the character one by one. All right, so check this one, very important. For I in country, see, country is a collection of characters, then print I. So what happened, it will do iterate over the country name. It will ask that give me character I data, and this data will be stored inside this one, and just print it this one. All right, now what happened with it? When the collection is created, you know, the indexing is given, not a single character uh, done with the help of without indexing. So for this we have indexing and splitting. See, if we have any kind of collection of characters, so always string value start from 0. We have two kind of indexing, plus indexing and minus indexing. I will discuss both. Okay, plus and minus, not minus one, so minus. So about the what about the plus indexing? Plus indexing means whose indexing in plus 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are all plus indexing, nowhere minus. So keep in mind the plus indexing always start with 0 and goes to length minus 1. Length minus 1. Let's suppose it's a 5 character, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is always go length means 5 minus 1 till 4. Alright, so let's try how to check a length and how to iterate this presentation. Means you got the index and you got the value on particular index. Okay, in positive indexing. Let's see. Alright. So what I do, first of all, getting the length of a string. Very important function is here, length of a string. We use a length function. Length, and you pass a string inside that, this will return the length of a string. Okay, so what happened over here, we have how much character, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 character over there. So if I pass length of country, so what happened, it will give me 9 character. But question is this, I want to see the index, and on index what value is there. So I again initialize my loop. What I do, for I in range. See, I'm using range function, which will run till length of the string is there. All right. What I do, all right. So when I use the length function, so it is not returning the value or particular index. It is returning the index. Here it is returning the value. Value means one time h, one time I. So I contain the lap character over here, but here I contain the index. So using that index, we have to print the index and we have to print the value on that. Check this one. How I printing? Print. First of all, I am printing the string, string index. So index, I just put index. This is just for decoration, nothing else. Okay, no operator is there. Then I put the I. Okay, we do formatting also. This part of the string. Okay, then I will tell you what is average string, etc. Okay, now first thing is string now, the data on a particular index. Just like if I have a Hindustan like that, so HINDUSTA, and the are string. So these index will start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Means I do the indexing on 0th index, h will be there. So you mind that length is 9, So it will starting from 0 and goes to length minus 1, that is 8. Okay, so I just do this kind of arrangement that one side string will be printed and one side index is going to be printed. Okay, so I printed the I, then data on a particular given index. So I have to use the country, then the bracket, all right, and using bracket I put the I. So what happened? On country array, what is on zeroth location? So what character on zeroth location will be printed? What corresponding to that particular index? Check this one. All right, you can do this thing and you can easily find this thing. If those are doing this with me, they are try with this one. I just put this code over here. See, multiple things are possible, multiple way are possible. This is the easiest way for starting. All right.
Sir, can we convert number into integer?
No good name, please.
राशि.
Ashish, what exactly you want to do? Tell me in detail.
सर स्ट्रिंग के अंदर मेरे को एक नंबर डालना है
अच्छा ठीक है.
और उसको फिर इंटीजर में कन्वर्ट करके किसी से मल्टीप्लाई या फिर सब्ट्रैक्शन
लेट
करना होगा.
सपोज लेट सपोज आई टेक ए वेर इक्वल टू, बताओ क्या करना है.
सर स्ट्रिंग में एक नंबर डालना है वन
बताओ.
टू थ्री फोर फाइव
1 2 3 4 5, हाँ ठीक है. अब
अब मैं चाहता हूँ एक एक जो नंबर है वन टू थ्री फोर फाइव ये मल्टीप्लाई हो फाइव से.
एक एक नंबर मल्टीप्लाई हो 5 से तो
हाँ
और फिर रिजल्ट कैसे दिखाओगे? एक एक करके दिखाना है, एक साथ दिखाना है?
एक एक करके दिखाना जैसे अभी आप प्रिंट करा रहे थे उस पर से करके
सो
वैसे.
मुझे ट्राई करने दो, मैं ट्राई करता हूँ, आप लाइन पे बने रहो एक मिनट. फॉर आई इन वेर, ऑलराइट. मैं मेक श्योर नहीं हूँ कि ये स्प्लिट होगा नहीं होगा. अगर स्प्लिट नहीं होगा तो मुझे एक एक कैरेक्टर अलग करना पड़ेगा वाइल लूप से, अदरवाइज आई विल ट्राई. ओके, सो द फर्स्ट थिंग, प्रिंट आई. मैं चेक कर लेता हूँ क्या प्रिंट हो रहा है, नहीं हो रहा है. हो रहा है, ठीक है. अब मैं क्या काम करना है, जब मैंने ये कैच कर लिया तो मैं क्या काम करूंगा, इसे इंट में कन्वर्ट करूंगा पहले. ठीक है, इंट में कन्वर्ट कर लिया. इंट में कन्वर्ट कर लिया, देन मैंने इसे 5 से मल्टीप्लाई कर लिया. देखते हैं क्या हो रहा है. डन.
हाँ
ओके, सो अगर ये नहीं होता तो क्या करते? तो क्या करते, हम इसे इंटीजर में कन्वर्ट करते. इंटीजर में कन्वर्ट करके किसी वेरिएबल में लोकेट करते. फिर वाइल लूप लगा लेते. वाइल लूप क्या करता, काम करता है कि एक एक डिजिट निकालता जाता. ठीक है, वाइल लूप जस्ट एक्सट्रैक्ट वन डिजिट इधर फ्रॉम लेफ्ट और फ्रॉम राइट. ओके, जस्ट लाइक 1 2 3 4 3 4 5. सो या तो आप इधर से एक डिजिट निकाल लो या फिर इधर से निकाल लो, नंबर रिड्यूस करना ही है. देन 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करके प्रिंट कर दो. सिंपल.
यस.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, so what happened here, we are just doing this kind of way. Now the second row.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes please dear, what's your good name? Yes Sudhanshu, yes please.
सर सेम क्वेश्चन जो अभी उन्होंने पूछा लेकिन क्वेश्चन ये है कि मान लो जो 1 2 3 4 5 है वो मेरा टाइप ऑब्जेक्ट में है
हम्म.
एंड जब मैं उसको न्यूमरिक में कन्वर्ट कर रहा हूँ pd डॉट टू न्यूमरिक तो इसके इसके बीच में मेरे को डॉलर सिंबल भी डाल दिया है डॉलर वन टू थ्री
अरे
फोर
अरे
फाइव
पीडी पेंडास कहाँ से आ गया? पीडी अभी कहाँ आ गया बीच में? अभी रुको बेटा, पेंडास पढ़ाएंगे, पेंडास पढ़ाएंगे. अभी जो चीज है ना, मिक्स मत करो. पेंडास को यहाँ कर दोगे बच्चे बाकी कंफ्यूज हो जाएंगे, है ना. तुम्हारा
सर
स्पेशल क्वेरी है, स्पेशल क्वेरी है तो संडे को सेशन है तुम्हारा, या फिर ईमेल आईडी है ना. यहाँ पैंडास मिक्स मत करो वरना सब कंफ्यूज जाएंगे, पैंडास क्या है, कहाँ से आ गया, वो मिक्स अभी मत करो, ठीक है. इस पे क्वेश्चन है तो आप पूछ सकते हो, इनका जेन्युइन क्वेश्चन था. एक तरीका ये है, एक तरीका ये है, इसके अंदर वाइल लूप रखो, एक तरफ से डिजिट काटते जाओ, रिमाइंडर लेते जाओ, उसे मल्टीप्लाई करते जाओ. ठीक है ना.
ठीक है मैं एंड ऑफ द क्लास एक क्वेश्चन पूछने के लिए थोड़ा सा
ठीक ठीक,
लेट हो
पूछ
गया
लीजिएगा,
था
पूछ लीजिएगा सर, पूछ लीजिएगा. और बेटर कि आप सबसे बढ़िया मुझे क्या कहो, आपको कोई पर्सनल क्वेश्चन है, कोई बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन है, आप मुझे डेटा सेट दो, क्योंकि देखिए हर चीज डेटा सेट पे बेस होगी. एवरी क्वेश्चन बेस्ड ऑन डेटा सेट. सो डू मेल मी डेटा सेट एंड देन कोड. सो आई विल ट्राई टू सॉल्व योर प्रॉब्लम, बिकॉज इमेजिनेशन पे ना क्वेश्चन को जूम करना में दिक्कत हो जाती है. व्हाट डेटा इनसाइड गिवन योर कॉलम, व्हाट प्रॉब्लम इज स्पेसिफिक, डू मेल मी, आई विल रिवर्ट यू विद द सॉल्यूशन. दैट्स बेटर. ऑलराइट.
ओके ओके
क्योंकि इमेजिन मैं नहीं कर सकता आपके पास क्या डेटा सेट है, और डेटा सेट सबको शेयर भी नहीं किया जा सकता, ये भी चीज़ है. तो डू मेल मी एंड देन आई विल सॉल्व योर क्वेश्चन. ओके, नाउ द नेक्स्ट टूल, string are immutable. Immutable means we cannot change the value of a string index once it is assigned. Means mutate नहीं करेगी, means value change नहीं होगी. Let's suppose country is there, ओके, कंट्री की मैंने इंडेक्स ही प्रिंट करा दी, आई ऑलरेडी प्रिंट। आई वांट टू नो विच डेटा ऑन कंट्री ऑन सेकंड इंडेक्स, दैट्स गुड, दैट इज n 0 1 0 1 2, why it's printing no, that's good, 0 1 2, all right. So n is there. Now if I want to update that on the second location, I not put the n, I want to put the z. So this will give you the error. String object does not support isom assignment. Mean once you initialize, you cannot change this one. Instead, you have to create a new one and assign to new variable. Even there lot of way. Okay, I will later on tell you how to do this thing. All right. But the initially the concept, the Python concept said string are immutable means once you initialize the value, we cannot not change. All right, this is meaning of immutable. So what are those data type which are mutable? First of all, list, very heavily used. Same way, tuple is not immutable. Okay, list, tuple, dictionary. These are three data set. List, tuple, dictionary, and set also is there. All right, we will do discuss in data structure topic. All right, now you can see this kind of thing. You can see this kind of thing. We have discussed now the positive index. Same way, we have a negative index. If any example is there, so let me take the image from the internet for the. Okay, so that I can explain more better to you. I'm just going to image section. That is better. Yeah, perfect, better. Copy image address. How we put any image in my Jupyter notebook. Okay, so that is very good thing. Discuss first the negative index. So just put me hash. Okay, I just put imgsrc equal to control V. All right, escape. I mean, these are the HTML img tags. So when you do this kind of thing, so you got image whenever on the internet, it will put keep inside your Jupyter notebook. Okay, check this one. Discuss the thing how it is working. It is, I think minus one is there, something problematic thing. Starting, okay, okay, okay. I think this is a problem. So minus one is allocated to the last one. I think this problem is there. Yes, 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 yes. I think problem. Yeah, this is perfect. That is better. See the difference. See the positive and negative and comparison. Both the thing. Okay. Let's suppose if I have a country. I have a country. So what is on minus one? What I do, I told you here how to check any positive index. Take country, the string variable, then take the square bracket, means any string variable, square bracket, then any positive number. Okay. So this will reflect your data on that. What data, what character on that, it will reflect you. Same way. If you want to access this one, so let's check. So Hindustan is my country name. Okay. And the last character is minus one. So on minus one, you have n. Similarly, this is proceeding towards the minus one. Minus one, minus two, minus three, minus four, minus five, minus six, minus seven. So the data on the plus three index and minus six index are the same. That is D. In my case, in my case, the data, just suppose I am capturing the D, let's suppose I am capturing the loop first. That is better loop. Okay. Okay. So I am capturing this loop and I found that uh, minus one, minus two, minus three, minus four, minus 5, minus 6. On minus 6, I have D, and same way we have its plus index is plus 3. So let me check this thing. What I'm trying to say, country minus 6 and country 3. See, so the minus index start from the last and goes to length. All right, how much length is there? So if I want to print the minus index of same data, so what I do, I have to iterate the loop in the minus index. I told you in the looping section how we do this thing. Okay, so for, I just try that I can use this code. Okay, so what I do here, I will start the minus length of country up to 0, minus length of country, give me the highest index to the first character, and up to then minus 1, because 0 will not return the previous step return, and the step size will be plus 1. That's, check this one. So index will be minus 9, minus 8, minus 7, minus 6. So keep in mind, any data, any data both maintain the plus index as well as the minus index. You can iterate for minus 1 and plus 1. But the thing is that we have to do slicing. What is slicing? Slicing just a way where you can crop the substring. I mean, there are multiple methods for do this thing, but Python give you a slice operator. Okay, as shown in here. Okay, here we only a single index inside a square bracket. All right. Now what we do, as shown in Python, the slice operator used to access individual character of a string. However, we can use the colon operator in the Python to access substring. For example, check this one. I will iterate on the country. Okay, what happened here? It is using three index. It use the colon first of all. One is here, one is here, and one is here. What is this? What is this? What is this? Anyone? Yes. What is this? What is each R sections are there? Three sections are there. First section before colon, between colon, third colon. What the name of there? How we pronounce that one? Anyone?
Start, end, and step.
Please repeat. Start
End and step.
and step. Step is the name of a step. Some other technical word. Anyone tell me who know the Python knowledge? The step name something different, not a step. Even it's a step size between difference between two character, but something else. It's technical name. uh, stride, stride, stride. Okay, in string it is used stride. Even these are step size, we use the same thing in for loop. Okay, so how we handle this slicing, handling the slicing. In slicing is a way how we get the substring. So we have string variable, string variable it's a string variable, then we have slicing operator, three colon, start, end, and stride. Okay, okay, so what these are, first one start, same as for loop, starting point, default value is 0, default is 0. In mostly case positive index is axis, rarely case negative index is axis, mostly case positive one axis, right? uh, s- if you use most probably the negative index, that is a minus one, nothing else, like, because we have to remove the first one or access the first last one. In the case of classification problem or in the case of modeling, the last column as a act as a output, in that case we use the minus one. We will discuss in later on. Okay, not mix up the things. Okay, now start and up to where we have to access, basically it's a N minus 1, it will access N minus 1, just like a for loop. And then stride, step size, that is default. Default step size is 1. Okay, let's see. Oops, I have not run. I have to convert this thing. Raw and we convert. By using raw and we convert, the Python will ignore this thing. I mean, just for look like a notes like that or some information to you, right? All right. Now check the country. Let me put all the code over here, call the indexing over here, so that I can give you the clear picture. All right. What I do over here, indexing the positive index. I tried that. mm, Everything printed in one line. Just put the hash. Index data. I for index. Not print because width is more than thing. No problem. Okay. So it's better for positive index and then negative index and the mixture index both. All right. Now see the positive index. One time I show you the positive index. One time negative index. I want to iterate colon colon. Nothing is given. Start to end and automatically what is your size, then step 1 complete string are there. Now I want to start from positive index, so in positive index I want to start from 2. I would put positive index 2 and I miss the end index. I want to start from 2 and I miss everything. So what happened? From 2 it will start. From 2 what character we have? N. So N-D-U-S-T-A-N, it will be printed. Perfect. Now I want to start, I want to start from 2 and I want to navigate till 7. See, 7 will not attend it, up to 6 will be printed. Okay, so start from 2 up to 7. So NDUST on 7 we have A, but I told you the never last point never be attended. All right. Now, what about stride? Okay, so here I put the 2. Sorry, not manipulating this one here. I am putting 2 over here. Okay, so it will start from 2 goes to 6 and the step size is 2, means start from 2 and after n it will give you u, n plus 2 u, u plus 2 t. So n u and t, because we are jumping on 2 character. All right, it is on 6 character. All right, let's check this one. N u t. So slicing, just you have to decide where to start, up to where you have to go. This will not attend it, just previous index attended. And what is step size? Okay, what is a negative index about? What about the negative index? I just take over here. So again, country, mm, start from -9. Let's see, perfect. Okay, again, start from -9, not -9, -8, -8, and I put a -1. See, so again, will the -1 will be attended? Will the n will be printed according to the Python concept? No. Keep in mind, whatever it is given over here, it will not attend it. Okay. Similarly, we can mix the positive and negative indexes. Means, let's suppose country, country. I will start from -9. Start from -9. Where is my this one? Yeah. Start from -9. I want to go in positive index. Where? To 7. Okay, so -9 is over here and 7 is over here. 7. I did all the things. Check this. So mixing is also allowed. Positive index, negative index, and both are mixed together. All right. Any question from here till here, so that we can take 1 minute break? Simple, useful, and interesting. When do you do this thing? Yes, yes, please, yes, please, yes, please. Who's there? Good name?
Sir, can you, sir, Shivangi this side.
Yes, yes, please.
Sir, can you please explain once?
Explain one, which one? Negative, positive, or mix? Both.
Sir, anything will work. Sir, concept में ठीक से समझ नहीं आ रहा. Like how a slicing is happening.
Okay. स्लाइसिंग में दिक्कत कहाँ आ रही है, मैं आपको बताऊँ सबसे पहले कि पिक्चोरियल प्रेजेंटेशन मेरे पास नहीं है. यस. शिवांगी, कीप अनम्यूट योर सेल्फ. ओके. सो सबसे पहले मुझे क्या किया ना, मैंने कंट्री को उठाया. कंट्री को मैंने ये पता करना है कि मेरे पास 3 इंडेक्स हैं कि कहाँ से कहाँ तक जाना है. ठीक है ना. लेट्स सपोज मैंने ये 2 इंडेक्स लगा ली, मैंने ये 2. आर यू कंफर्टेबल इन हिंदी बोथ?
Yes, sir, I'm clear.
ओके. मुझे बी से स्टार्ट करना है, तो मैंने स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट अपना बी रखा. ओके. मैंने 5 तक लिखा यहाँ पे, 5 तक. सो ध्यान रखना, कभी भी जो लास्ट इंडेक्स होती है अटेंड नहीं होती पाइथन में कहीं भी. ठीक है ना. सो 5 तक नहीं जाएगा, ये 4 तक जाएगा. फिर तीसरा स्टेप साइज है. अगर स्टेप साइज आप नहीं रख रहे हैं तो बाय डिफॉल्ट स्टेप साइज 1 रहेगा. सो ये बी से स्टार्ट करेगा, बी सी डी ई, इतना प्रिंट करेगा क्योंकि ये 4 तक है. 1 से स्टार्ट हुआ, बी सी डी ई. ऑलराइट. दूसरा क्या काम किया मैंने, इसी के इक्विवेलेंट मैंने स्ट्रिंग लिखी, सी. लेट्स सपोज सी इज योर स्ट्रिंग वेरिएबल. मैंने सेम स्टार्ट किया, -8 से लेके ये जाए -4 तक, तो सेम आउटपुट आएगा बिकॉज ये -4 से चल रहा है. थर्ड इंडेक्स खाली छोड़ दिया क्योंकि मुझे स्टेप साइज 1 चाहिए. अगेन ये -8 से चलेगा, ए बी प्रिंट करेगा, सी प्रिंट करेगा, डी प्रिंट करेगा, ई प्रिंट करेगा क्योंकि -4 से पहले -5 है. मीन्स बड़ी सी स्ट्रिंग में वी आर कैचिंग द सब स्ट्रिंग, मीन्स स्मॉल स्ट्रिंग इन बिग स्ट्रिंग बेस्ड ऑन द इंडेक्सिंग. राइट. हम मिक्स भी कर सकते हैं पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव इंडेक्स को. कैसे मिक्स कर सकते हैं? थर्ड सी, ध्यान से देखिएगा, फर्स्ट इंडेक्स इज माई 1, देन लास्ट इंडेक्स इज माई -4, देन वी कैन मिक्स. सो मुझे कहाँ से स्टार्ट करना है, कहाँ तक जाना है, पहले पिक्चोरियल प्रेजेंटेशन बनाना पड़ेगा. देन मुझे कॉलन ऑपरेटर पता करना पड़ेगा. स्टार्ट पॉइंट ये है, मेरा एंड पॉइंट ये है, मेरा स्टेप साइज और स्ट्राइड पॉइंट ये है. स्टार्ट मीन स्टेप ये है. सो जैसे कि मैंने बताया यहाँ पे आपको एट लास्ट में, कहाँ पे ये चीज स्ट्राइड. स्ट्राइड क्या करता है, स्टेप करता है कि मैंने पहले 2 प्रिंट किया, मुझे दो नहीं, दो के बाद 3 नहीं प्रिंट करना, मुझे 4 प्रिंट करना है. 2 4 6. सो वॉट एवर द करेक्टर ऑन टू सेकंड इंडेक्स, फोर्थ इंडेक्स और सिक्स इंडेक्स, इट विल प्रिंट. सो आपको जब भी ये प्रैक्टिस करनी है तो पहले पिक्चोरियल प्रेजेंटेशन बनाना है स्टार्टिंग में, देन यू कैन यूज टू दिस. ओके. जब तक आप पिक्चोरियल प्रेजेंटेशन नहीं बनाओगे, आप ये नहीं करोगे, इंडेक्सिंग नहीं करोगे इस तरह की कॉपी पेंसिल से, तब तक आप ये परफेक्ट नहीं कर पाओगे स्लाइसिंग हो कैसे रही है, इंडेक्सिंग कहाँ से कहाँ ट्रेवल कर रही है. अब आप मुझे बताओ, अगर मैं आपको दूं, लेट्स सपोज दिस इज माय सी एरे, और मैं कहूँ C2 कॉलन, आउटपुट क्या आएगा इसका बताइए. ये शिवंगी.
Yes, sir. So it will go from 2 to 8 to C to I.
C2 है, perfect. If I say C to 8, now what is output?
Um, it will go from 2 to H.
No, no,
Sorry, C to H.
C to H, perfect. I mean, last will not attended. Same way, if I say C2 to 8, 8 and then 3, now what will the output? First this one is printed, perfect. 8 तक जाना है तो ये तो नहीं आएगा, खैर ये आएगा. फिर थर्ड जंप 1 2 3. ओके. व्हाट आएगा, डी आएगा, ई आएगा, एफ आएगा, क्या आएगा?
Sir, F.
वेरी गुड. देन कुछ नहीं, क्योंकि स्ट्रिंग ओवर हो गई. एक जंप यहाँ से आने लगी, एक जंप यहाँ से आने लगी, तो ये तो आ रहा ही नहीं है, तो आपके 2 करेक्टर आएंगे.
Okay, okay, sir, got it.
गॉट इट. सो
Yes, sir.
पिक्चोरियल प्रेजेंटेशन इज मस्ट. Alright, so I'm just taking 1 minute break. Meanwhile, you guys can do this thing on your system. Alright. So Mallikarjun Avasthi says F. Yes, yes, sir. What is F?
So I have learned in C program. There is a string ends with F0.
I'm telling you formatted string at the last. We have string, then string library function, then formatted string. These are all in sequence. Okay. Maybe we don't have time today to formatted string, because I will complete today string and string function. In the next lecture, formatted string and the string program. Okay, because today is 31st of January. Dear, you enjoy and let me enjoy. Okay, so मैं एक मिनट का ब्रेक लेता हूँ, फिर स्ट्रिंग फंक्शन कराऊंगा. ठीक है. स्ट्रिंग फंक्शन बहुत अच्छा इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करते हैं. आप जब भी प्रोग्राम बनाएंगे, सो दे विल ईज यू. Okay, they will perfectly ease you. Meanwhile, you guys just keep do practice based on this one. I just close this one. Take a screenshot and do practice, because this image contain both positive and negative index, and you download this PDF on tomorrow and then login. Okay, I'm just taking 1 minute break. Meanwhile, you just keep practicing. All right, just wait.
Yes, Mohammed here.
Ha, yes please. Yes, Mohammed.
Sir, can we print reverse order, sir? Will it work or it will be an error?
Yeah, yeah, but you have to try something you have to try. Nihar, you have to try -1 about that. I left this one because I will give you homework for minus, so I'm not going to explain what about the -2 at last. Okay, so something do yourself, because you have to also perfect. I will give this thing -1 homework. Do print and tell me it is error, output or the reverse order. Okay, थोड़ा काम आपको भी करना है. ठीक है, वी आर टीम. थोड़ा मैं बताऊंगा, थोड़ा आपको करना है. What about the -1? All right, just catching in 1 minute. Hello, welcome back. Okay, so where we are, we do some slicing thing now. We are doing some one program. Okay, so I hope you will do this thing for me. I hope you will do everything with me. Very good example is there, and maybe bad example. Write a program, write a function, which return the frequency of given character. Given character. So for example, if I have name, uh, just like country, I have country in which character? Yeah, I have to supply the string and I have to supply the character, just like n. N is repeated 2 times. All right. So this thing will be give me the n have two frequency. I have one frequency, means special character. We have designed a function just like def count freq frequency, which take the string, just like any string uh, name, and then it accept a character. Okay, design this function which return c. What is c? C is a count. Okay, rest is your logic. What we have to do, write a function which return a frequency of a given character. We are passing two parameter, simple name and character. All right, now I'm just putting this thing in your answer is mixed up. Sai Arjun, yes please, which answer is mixed up? Unmute yourself. Not, I mean, not getting. I just want ask that write a function which return frequency of given character. Which answer is going to mix up? I don't know what you're talking, dear. Please unmute and then tell me. I need pass any name over here and character. Okay, so this will on particular character it will return me the frequency. For suppose when I call count frequency, count freq, the country and the character, that is n. So it will return me the 2 because the n is repeated 2 times in this string. Okay, now clear? Nihar asking me what is difference between return and print. Nihar, you was in the last class function. Nihar, please unmute and tell me. So I told the difference there. Either you have to print the data inside a function or you have to return the thing. Okay. So if you use the return one, then you can not use print inside that. And the by definition, by the concept of function always return a value. For our ease, our facility, we do write print. Otherwise, no need to write a print. You always return a thing from as a function or its calling place. Anyone have share the code? Okay, no problem. Do it at home. I just put for his home because homework. All right. Okay. The second homework is there. Write a function which count the number of vowels. Count the vowels. What are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U or A, E, I, O, U. These things. Okay. In your name. Your name. Do not use right now library function. I mean, just use your the thing, not library function. When I teach you some library function today or tomorrow, I mean not tomorrow. Tomorrow we have off. All right. This is an announcement from my side. Tomorrow we have off so that you can enjoy the thing, enjoy the happy new year. All right. So you have to do this thing. So why I put the A I O U small and capital? Because right now I'm not using any library function, just like a lower and upper. We have to match this string and how your name have one by one. Okay, these two things for your homework. Do it at home. Okay, now we have some operation. For what operation? Just like we have string one and string two, like that. So what happen if you are multiplying string with a number? Okay, so what happened when you multiply this number? So this will repeat that string that time. Check this thing. I just put any string and I multiply with this number. So this will reflect me it string at that time. So here we have three times. If I put the space over here, so it will do me space over here. Okay. Second one is not necessary over here. Third one indexing we do already. Fourth one slicing already do. Yeah, next one is in operator, not in operator. In the operator section, I told you if you want to find any character in a particular string, just like in country. Okay, if I want to find any character that Z in country, so it will give you sorry Z is character. This will give you true and false. If any character is there, so quickly without any loop, it will search for you. Just like we do the searching program in different languages, we do iterate the for loop, then check the length, then do match with the character with if else. So that is not required. Simple. We check D in country, so it is work on a true false statement. Same way, the reciprocal of in operator there is a not in. Okay, that suppose if Z is not in available in country, so what happen? We do to not in. Not in give you a true when the thing is not available. All right, so that is true. So I think we should stop over here because very nice program is coming on the television. Star Star Sports, Star Bharat, like that, GTV. So you guys go and yeah, Ganesh Shelvas give me sequence equal to for name print I if correct equal to this one. Perfect program. So I wish you all the happy new year and I will share this thing to you because now what remaining First of all, the library function, we do cover approximately 20 function, 20 string library function which play an important role. See, math function, two or three important. The string function, all is important. In next session on, are you guys available on what we say Saturday? I hope you are available on Saturday. Okay, so we do. I will told to ma'am. No, okay, because we do plan the class from Monday to Friday. Okay, so I will communicate. I mean, you got the information from your LMS. Okay, most probably we do have class on Monday, if because I already committed to Monday to Friday. Okay, so no problem. When we do a class, first of all, we have to cover the library function. First of all right. First of all, library function contain 20 to 15 to 20 functions. Then we format a string f string of dot format function that play important role because the Python 3.6 version, f string play an important role for setting the weight, getting the data like that. Okay, and then we do some program also. So for the sake of this one, and is there any program concerned with this one, I will put this program inside that. Do put some program on last class in the PDF. So attempt also that program and submit me on my email ID. Thank you so much, dear. Again, wish you very happy new year for you and for your family.
Hello, sir.
Yes, please. Yes, please.
This is Ashish.
One is
So,
must be Sabisachi. First one Sabisachi. Yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
So, Sunday, do you have any class, sir?
Not tomorrow. We don't have any class.
Not tomorrow, on Sunday, sir. Yeah.
Sunday on 11 a.m. Yeah, problem solving session will be there. That is forever until I don't have any problem. So that is on 11 a.m. always. All
Okay.
right.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sabisachi.
हेलो सर
Yes,
आशीष
please. Yes, Ashish. Tell me.
सर अभी 2 3 दिन की छुट्टी है तो सर अगर कुछ होमवर्क हो तो
दूँगा,
ज़्यादा
दूँगा,
प्रोवाइड
दूँगा, दूँगा, दूँगा। मैं आज तो नहीं पता, मैं कल अपलोड करवा दूँगा मैम से कह के, राखी मैम से कह के अपलोड करवा दूँगा, ठीक है ना? तो सिंपल, बट प्रॉब्लम क्या आ रही है ना, उसमें लाइब्रेरी फंक्शंस होते हैं कई प्रोग्राम में, तो दिक्कत कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, आप लोग तो होशियार लोग हो, लाइब्रेरी फंक्शन अगर ज़रूरत पड़े तो यूज़ कर लीजिए क्योंकि मैंने पढ़ा ही नहीं है, कई लोग नए लोग हैं।
गूगल कर लेंगे सर अगर ऐसा हुआ तो
अरे गूगल तो बेटा है ही, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है ना? कर लेना और मैं कोशिश करता हूँ मैं आपको इसमें तो नहीं, मैं कल अपलोड करा दूँगा, पहले तो मैं ये अपलोड कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि मैम भी बिज़ी होंगी, सबके यहाँ फंक्शन चल रहे हैं, तो डिस्टर्ब करना भी सही नहीं है। ठीक है, कल शाम तक हो सकता है आपको एक मिल जाए होमवर्क की पीडीएफ जिसमें सारे स्ट्रिंग के ही हों, जैसे कि मैंने कल आपको दिया है ना, उसे ट्राई करना और मैं
सर
आपको
अभी सर है तो सर वो कल वाला क्वेश्चन अगर करा दे तो
अरे करो तो सही, मैं बताना नहीं है, मुझे सोल्यूशन देने हैं,
सर
मुझे सोल्यूशन देने हैं तुम्हें।
स्विच वाला स्विच स्टेटमेंट वाला
अरे स्विच में क्या हो गया, स्विच में केस मैच होते हैं, देखो स्विच का क्या हिसाब किताब है बताओ। स्विच से घबराओ मत, सबसे पहली चीज स्विच का जो होता नहीं है सिंटैक्स पढ़ो, सिंटैक्स स्विच का क्या है, स्ट्रक्चर क्या है ना। सबसे पहले हम स्विच लेते हैं, स्विच के बाद केस होता है, केस या कंडीशन ध्यान रखना कभी भी, है ना, किसी भी लैंग्वेज में, मैं आपको कॉमन चीज बता रहा हूँ। यहाँ कॉलन आ जाएगा, ठीक है ना, जब आएगा तो पहले केस वन एग्जीक्यूट होगा, केस, देन आपकी जो केस मैचिंग होगा वो एग्जीक्यूट होगा, इसके बाद जो आप लिखोगे ना डेटा वो एग्जीक्यूट हो जाता है, जैसे वो केस वन, लेट्स सपोज प्रेस वन फॉर एडिशन, सो यू हैव पुट केस वन। सो अगर आपने यहाँ केस वन पास हुआ तो वो इससे मैच होता है, किसी भी, मैं आपको जनरल कॉन्सेप्ट बता रहा हूँ, सी सी प्लस प्लस जावा सी शार्प, ठीक है। तो केस वन के बाद क्या होता है, फिर हम लोग ब्रेक रखते हैं, बिकॉज कि ये चीजें ब्रेक हो जाए, यहीं पे एग्जिट हो जाए, फिर इसी के सीक्वेंस में केस टू आता है, केस टू आता है, ठीक है ना, केस टू केस थ्री मीन्स जो आप यहाँ रख रहे हो, अगर आप एबीसीडी रख रहे हो तो आपको यहाँ पे एबीसीडी रखना पड़ेगा, ठीक है ना। एंड लास्ट में अगर किसी भी केस से मैच ना हो तो डिफॉल्ट आता है, मीन्स जैसे एल्स होता है, जस्ट लाइक एल्स होता है इससे, इसके बाद आपका स्विच क्लोज हो जाता है। तो यहाँ पे जो इफ एल्फ एल्स होता है उसका रिप्लेसमेंट स्विच मान सकते हो। ओके, ये जनरल, तुम कौन से सेमेस्टर में हो उस समय?
सर अभी मेरी अभी ग्रेजुएशन खत्म हुई
कौन सी ग्रेजुएशन, मतलब बीएससी की है, बीटेक किया, क्या किया?
बीटेक बीटेक इन मेकाट्रॉनिक्स
बीटेक इन,
मेकाट्रॉनिक्स
आपने सी पढ़ी है कभी?
ना सर सी नहीं पढ़ा है
हाँ वही वो समझ है,
मैटलैब आया सर मैटलैब आया
मैटलैब मैटलैब, हाँ तो ये डिफॉल्ट है, हमेशा ध्यान रखो स्विच के साथ केस पास होता है, केस या एक्सप्रेशन, उस एक्सप्रेशन की वैल्यू यहाँ मैच होती है इससे, ठीक है। जिससे भी नहीं मैच होगी तो डिफॉल्ट केस एग्जीक्यूट हो जाएगा, बस। लैडर होगा एक बार में एक केस, ये ध्यान रखना, अगर आपने ब्रेक नहीं लगाया तो मल्टीपल केस एग्जीक्यूट हो जाएंगे।
सर इसके अंदर अगर जैसे कि इफ के अंदर नेस्टेड इफ और लेडर इफ आता है वो उसके अंदर सोचने से तो पॉसिबल
कहीं भी कुछ भी आ सकता है, लेकिन आपको बिजनेस लॉजिक क्या, मतलब आपको सॉल्व क्या करना है, ये चीज होती है ना। अगर आपको लैडर बनाना है, तो रादर देन गो टू स्विच केस, इफ एलिफ एल्स इज रिक्वायर्ड, इजी एंड बेस्ट. Okay, thank you, dear. Happy New Year to you and your family. Yes, dear. Who
Hello.
is there?
Sir, I'm not getting this D in country and the value is coming true. So,
Hmm.
could you please explain me that?
Which one?
D in country.
D in country. Okay. So what is this in operator? What in operator do? अगर आपके इस कंट्री वेरिएबल है, कंट्री के अंदर जो डेटा है वो हिंदुस्तान है. ओके.
Okay.
तो ये जो मैच कर रहा है ना, वो हिंदुस्तान से मैच कर रहा है.
Okay. Okay.
कि डी,
History.
या आप इससे मत मैच कराना, इसमें तो वेरिएबल नेम है. तो डेटा है, द डेटा इनसाइड ए कंट्री इज हिंदुस्तान. सो इन ऑपरेटर जस्ट मैच करेक्टर बाय करेक्टर, बट इट आल्सो यूज फॉर सब स्ट्रिंग आल्सो. इफ यू हैव ए सब स्ट्रिंग, just like, let me check.
Okay. Yes.
We checked after D, after D we have dus, thus in country. So it's giving true because all the strings are located nearby, character nearby. So it will check the sequence in a big string and give you true and false if the string is presented or not presented over there.
Yes, sir.
Got it? Thank you so much and very happy new year. क्लास कल नहीं है, ध्यान रखना सब लोग, ठीक है? थैंक यू सो मच.